Listen closely, because what I'm about to tell you might just change everything you thought you knew about justice. There's a deeper, darker reality hidden in our justice system, and it's time we uncover this haunting truth. Picture this: a human rights victim, someone who should theoretically find protection within a fair and impartial judiciary. However, instead of justice, they face a web of deceit, distortion, and ruin orchestrated by a system they trusted. This goes beyond simple judicial error. This is deliberate, insidious misconduct, the abuse of office at its worst. Judicial misconduct isn't an isolated event. It's a calculated collective effort where judges, law enforcement, lawyers, magistrates, mental health professionals, the media, and others align their interests to target one individual. But why and how does this happen? Let's break it down. Through backdoor alliances and covert relationships, these players collaborate, driven by monetary gain, fear of influence, or sheer malintent. Picture a mental health professional providing exaggerated diagnoses, fueling false narratives about an individual's stability. Imagine lawyers who manipulate technicalities rather than uphold the integrity of the law, while certain judges blindly accept these distortions. Even the media can be weaponized, twisting stories to assassinate character, sway public perception, or present lies as absolute truths. This sort of collective action aims to isolate, discredit, and break down the individual, sometimes leaving them stripped of financial assets, their credibility shattered, their mental health damaged, or worse, irreparable loss in their personal lives. A person once full of hope, rights, and dignity is transformed into a cautionary tale of what happens when the system itself turns predatory. And here's something critical. These acts don't occur in a vacuum. They flourish in an environment where oversight is weak, accountability is absent, and where those responsible are rarely held to account. Now, I want you to think about this. If a victim must navigate a legal system where nearly every avenue is compromised, who will defend their rights? Who can? This system places layers of trust in the hands of people who exploit it for personal or collective gain, betraying the very essence of justice. But there is hope. Corruption thrives in darkness, and by shining a light on these abuses, we can demand change. We must refuse silence, demand transparency, and insist on accountability at every level, because the law should protect, not punish, the innocent. Remember, this is not just their fight. It's ours.